Are you wondering about the fuse box diagram and locations for the 2023 Audi A4? This user guide will help you identify the fuse box layout and its components, ensuring quick troubleshooting and a seamless maintenance experience for your Audi.
Driver's side footwell left-hand drive vehicles. The driver's side footwell in left-hand drive vehicles provides ample space for the driver's feet, ensuring comfort during long drives. It houses essential controls, including the brake, accelerator, and clutch pedals. The area is designed for easy access to foot-operated features like the fuse box. Front passenger side footwell right-hand drive vehicles. The front passenger side footwell in right-hand drive vehicles offers space for the passenger's feet, ensuring comfort during the ride. It contains the foot-operated controls like the brake pedal and may house essential components like the fuse box. Driver's side cockpit left and right-hand drive vehicles. Driver's side cockpit in both left and right-hand drive vehicles offers intuitive control placement for ease of driving. It includes essential features like the steering wheel, instrument panel, and controls for safety and convenience. Left side of luggage compartment cover. The left side of the luggage compartment cover provides secure storage space for small items. It typically features a compartment for tools or emergency supplies. Additionally, it helps maintain a clean, organized appearance within the trunk area.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.